Do you feel like your bank is just an extra expense? A monthly drain on your business's bottom line? If you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or an entrepreneur, you know every dollar counts. You've probably looked at your bank statements and seen those annoying fees, monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, maybe even fees for sending a check. It feels like you're paying to just have your own money. But what if you didn't have to? What if your business banking account was designed to save you money, not cost you? That's where Novo comes in. It's an online business banking platform that's built from the ground up to be fee-free. I'm going to walk you through exactly how Novo helps you avoid fees and keep more of your hard-earned money. First, let's talk about the big one, monthly fees. With a traditional bank, you might need to maintain a high minimum balance or meet certain transaction requirements just to avoid a monthly charge. With Novo, there are no monthly fees. Period. It's a free business checking account from day one, with no minimum balance requirements. So you can stop stressing about keeping enough cash in one place just to avoid a fee. Next, let's talk about ATMs. Cash isn't as common as it used to be, but every now and then you need to get some. And then BAM, you're hit with an ATM fee from the ATM provider. Novo has a solution for that. They will refund all ATM fees, worldwide, at the end of each month. Yes, you heard that right. Any ATM, anywhere. That's money back in your pocket. What about day-to-day transactions? With some banks, you might pay for things like an ACH transfer or for mailing a paper check. Novo offers unlimited, free ACH transfers, and they will even mail paper checks for you, for free. This is huge if you're a business that's constantly paying contractors or vendors. The only fees you'll really see with Novo are for things like insufficient funds, which you can easily avoid by keeping a close eye on your balance. And even then, those are standard across the industry. Beyond just avoiding fees, Novo also gives you tools to manage your money better. Their reserves feature lets you set aside money for specific purposes, like taxes, payroll, or business savings. This helps you budget and plan, which in turn helps you avoid those insufficient funds fees in the first place. Novo integrates with the business tools you already use, like Stripe, Shopify, and QuickBooks. This makes it easy to manage everything from one place and avoid any potential hidden costs that come from using a bunch of disconnected systems. In short, Novo isn't just a bank account, it's a tool to empower your business. It's designed to be transparent, simple, and most importantly, affordable. It helps you focus on what you do best, running your business, without worrying about your bank eating into your profits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.